Get it hard. Go, 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 go. It's windy out here. Go, go, go. Go, go. Hey, so what's up, YouTube? I'm out here with the homies and shit. We're about to roll out to Yuma, meet up with Cruz. Yeah, after that, I'll probably grab something to eat.
Just us three right now,
It's gonna be us three and we're gonna meet up with Cruz. Yeah. This is the homies, but that shit is sick. That shit is clean.
Shit's just gonna fucking boom one.
That shit is clean. Damn, dude. That shit is loud, homie.
Hell yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Hell yeah, G.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah, thank you.
Appreciate it.
That shit is clean, bro.
Hey, you too.
Damn, that shit is clean. That shit is loud, bro. Your system is loud as fuck. This is a Road King?
It's a road king.
This is a Road King, ladies and gentlemen. That shit is sick. I thought it was a street glide. That shit is tight. And with the white walls too?
Yep.
That's clean. All right, YouTube, we'll be out, man. We'll be on the way.
Too hype in the party, feeling like my birthday. I've been dancing all night with a bottle in my hand and a smile on my face. And we got a few more on the way, way. Got a couple more on the way, way. Got a couple more on the way. I can feel a good time coming. CD on and popping, yeah, I pull up when I'm summoned. Party never stopping, we gon' give them what they wanted. It's a line outside, let them in if they want it. Ayy, party people on the left side, come on. Party people on the right side. Man, it's kinda feeling like a fire in the building. We gon' tear it up as soon as we get inside. It's a jam, party going up to the M. Everybody pulling out the cam, and they feeling like the fam. And I'm feeling like the man. Everybody knows just who I am. It's a jam, party going up to the M. Everybody pulling out the cam, and they feeling like the fam. And I'm feeling like the man. Everybody knows just who I am. Too hype in the party. Too hype. Feeling like my birthday. Feeling like my birthday. I've been dancing all night with a bottle in my hand and a smile on my face. Big smile. And we got a few more on the.
Yeah, so we made it halfway up. We're almost at Arizona. We took a little pit stop. What happened?
That's why I saw you going kind of like in the middle. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go through the side.
Yeah, I went in the middle too, though, but I went a little faster than you, I think. I went a little.
Bro,
You got it?
Shit, bro.
You got it?
Saved it. I barely saved it, bro.
Hey, so you went down the middle where I went, right?
Yeah.
And then.
He was on. He had some speed on them too. Fucking sucks, dude.
Oh no. That's cool. You didn't fall. Sick with it. You know, I'm probably gonna take a picture on my bike. Use it as a thumbnail. You know what I'm saying? You didn't get it, bro?
No, I did, dude, but I think I had it in my other sense where I had the ending.
Yeah.
Everything's overexposed.
Oh, fuck. It's all good. The ride's not done yet, bro.
Get him, boys.
That's it. Boom. Ooh, hey, you ever one of those? The razors? That shit's sick. That shit is tight. Damn. Dune season, dog. Fuck yeah. So we made it out to Arizona. We're out here waiting on cruise right now. We should be here shortly. But yeah, man. Hey, that wind was fucking crazy, huh?
It was pretty strong, bro.
Bad. Hopefully I got some of that shit on video. Fucking, that shit was, hey, this one was leading like a cholo. Nah, but yeah, man, we out here about to hit up Cafecito, probably grab some coffee, grab something to eat later on, say what's up to the homie, and that's it. Let's cruise. What's up, cruise? We park down there, you'll see our bikes on the right. Okay. Yeah, dude. Woo. Hold up. This goes everybody. Hey, good morning. Wow, this place is sick. Hey, where do you order food at or drinks? I didn't order out. Wow, this place is nice. That's sick. This place is tight. What do you get here normally, Cruz?
Just regular coffees. We usually sit outside in the deck. It's cool out there.
Oh yeah, is that the line right here? Arizona is tight. Yeah, this is tight. I like it here. It's cool.
It's cool, right?
Yeah. Is this the line right here? Yeah, I saw the guy playing the guitar. That's it. See what I'm gonna get. Hey, fool, here's your cookie.
Oh, thanks, dude. Horchata?
It's a horchata. I'm gonna test it out. Try it out. Oh, you mix it? Wanna try some?
No,
I don't want all that fucking cinnamon.
I don't want to mess up my stomach.
Your little tummy, dude?
It's pretty good. What do you think? Let's see. It's kind of watered down. I should got something different. So right now we're just gonna get some more gas up. We're gonna check out some ultimate tapes. And after that, we'll be on our way. Yeah. Dude, no helmet? Art? Me neither, dog. Arizona, baby. Oh, you guys gonna wear helmets? I'm not. Fuck it. I'll do it with you. Yeah, I'm not gonna wear a helmet either. can't see it, it's $2. $2, dude. $2 for gas. Hey, gas is hella cheap out here, huh? Fuck yeah. $2? Damn. Hey, I'm about to take some gas home, dog. It's only $2 out here. That's crazy. It's hella cheap. Hell yeah. Super cheap. Look at that. That's it, dude. Super cheap.
Yeah, they ask you what it man. Hey, answer the question, I tell them I'm Superman. Yeah, I show them my daughter, I show them I do it, man. Hey, yeah, pull her real nice and I do it like Superman. They ask you who the man. I pull her right up and I'm doing it like Superman. Hey, back with the vengeance, I'm back with the vibe and I'm true, man. Hey, pull her right there like a Superman. Pull her right there like a Superman. Pull her right there like a Superman. Homie, I'm back on my road then. Doing the shit, I'm the GOAT, man. Feel like the path that I chose, man. It's the right one, so it goes, man. I am back on the road, man, when it's dead. When I pull it right up, I'm legit. So what they really care what you say right now, man. I don't really care what your is. Hey, back and do it, I'ma get it. Homie, I don't run away, I don't panic. Kept it just back, I'ma just make it. Hey, I'ma make it really happen. Switching the boom around, making the shit dramatic. They run around, they gonna panic. I'ma just kill it, I'm just set to say. Hey, homie, I'm back and I'm feeling this shit in my bones. Feeling this shit in my blood. Hey, I'ma just get it right now, I'ma just run to the love. This how we do and this how it goes. You are the enemy, you are a ghost. Taking them down, I'm like damn. Putting the work and I'm doing the most. They ask you who the man. I'm pulling right up and I'm doing like Superman. Hey, back with the vengeance, I'm back with the vibe and I'm true, man. Hey, pull it right there like a Superman. Pull it right there like a Superman. Pull it right there like a Superman. They ask you who the man. I'm pulling right up and I'm doing like Superman. Hey, back with the vengeance, I'm back with the vibe and I'm true, man. Hey, pull it right there like a Superman. Pull it right there like a Superman. Pull it right there like a Superman.
I'm super. You know, super like where all the tanks are at. It's actually pretty dope. Hey, what is this place called, Cruz?
Proving grounds.
Yuma Proving Grounds? That's sick. Sick. This place is cool. Get it hard! Go, 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 go! It's windy out here. Go, go, go! Go, go! Hey! You got it! Hey, that one's kissing that little kid. Yeah, you got it!
Too hype in the party, feeling like my birthday. I've been dancing all night with a bottle in my hand and a smile on my face. And we got a few more on the way. Got a couple more on the way. Got a couple more on the way. I can feel a good time coming. City on the poppin', yeah, I pull up when I'm summoned. Party never stopping, we gon' give them what they wanted. It's a line outside, let them in if they want it. Ayy, party people on the left side, come on. Party people on the right side. Man, it's kinda feeling like a fire in the building. We gon' tear it up as soon as we get inside. It's a jam, party going up to the M. Everybody pulling out the cam, and they feeling like the.
Alright, we made it to some barbecue spot out here in Yuma. What's the spot called?
Dirty South.
What is it?
Dirty South Barbecue.
Dirty South, the dirty. Yeah, boy. Get some good. Hey, is this A grading, dude? I feel like the food's not gonna be A graded. Is it? Oh, they're closed.
They just closed.
Ah, damn it, we just missed it. All right.
Ain't nothing close to here either.
Well, we'll go with plan A.
Yeah, Hooters. I guess Hooters, man. Alright, man, so I guess we came to Hooters instead, huh?
Yep.
Got ready for some wings. Yeah. Ugh. You sit up there, yeah, thank you. Alright, for sure. What do you get, Art?
I don't know yet. Let's see. Where's the drink menu at? Yeah, drink.
Hey, I haven't been to Hooters in a really long time. What do you recommend?
The Daytona wings.
Daytona wings.
Daytona wings.
What about hamburger wise?
Hamburger wise, our Twisted Texas Melt or our Bacon Mac Burger?
Okay. What do you get, bro?
I don't know, maybe a Philly cheesesteak sandwich.
I might get a burger. Can I get the second burger that you said?
The Bacon Mac?
Yeah, please. Is it hella big? Do
Yeah. It's 2 patties and the Bacon Mac and the mac and cheese.
you have any smaller burgers? Sorry.
Do
I'm not that hungry.
Do you want to do just one patty?
Yes.
Okay. One patty. Do you want it well done or a little pink?
Well done's good.
Well done.
I usually get my steak pink, but then
I'll take a blood orange.
Blood orange. Do you have an ID with you?
I'm gonna get one too. Can I get a beer too, please?
Do you guys want the blood orange as well? Or?
Yes.
Do you want a tall or a short?
I'll get a tall.
Yes.
Yeah, boy. Hey, so hey, where do you guys want to ride to after this? Home already?
What do you mean? We've been out for like 4 hours. That's all. See how it feels like you got to ride home now. That's all.
See, I don't mind though. I don't mind. I'm still down to ride somewhere. I still want to go. I'm still down to go.
I was worried about my visor, dude.
Did you get drinks? Did you get drinks?
So yeah, I told him, let's just get drinks real quick.
That's what I did too. I ordered drinks. Well, I got my meal too. But
So everybody started ordering.
yeah. I'm hungry too. That's why. Hey, cheers, fellas.
Cheers, man. Ninja 300.
Yeah, boys.
Got her into it. That was cool.
So good. Hey, what is this? Or blood orange? Blood orange. Blood orange, bro. Fire. It's good. What did you get, Art?
Chicken sandwich.
That's it. Buffalo.
That's it, dude.
Got that Mac burger, dog.
Security with like metal detectors.
What is that, dude? Philly
Philly
cheesesteak?
cheesesteak.
What did you get, crew?
Wings, Daytona wings.
Sticking to the roots, dude. Old school. Wings, bro.
They got beer and wings.
Try. All right, dude. You guys, Kickshawn Casino.
Yep.
Kickshawn. Is there food there too, Cruz?
Yeah, there's food and there's a coffee shop.
Oh, I'm not even hungry. I just wanted to know for next time in case we come out again. Fuck, look how dusty my shit got. Damn. Dusty. Yeah, you guys' bikes don't look as dusty as mine. Fuck. My shit got hella dust on it. Alright, next stop. We out.